Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and today I am going to show you how to make these super cute fun fold cards. They are so easy. It's just a little bit of a cut onto your regular card. Here one, I said Merry Christmas Cutie or Merry Cutie Christmas with these adorable little penguins. I absolutely love these. I'm going to show you how to make one of these, and these are just a few other examples. This one says sweater weather, and these are made using my free printable, Have an Iced Christmas. So here is the free printable that you are going to get by jumping over to my new website, Erin Reed Makes, and using the code PENGUIN. You get all 6 of these as a free printable. Just don't forget to put in that coupon code. And also, please jump over to the next person in the video hop to see all the amazing videos that are coming from this wonderful video hop, Christmas in July. And there are some giveaways. Links for all the supplies I'm using are down in the information section. And don't forget to jump to the next person so you can keep on hopping. And let's get started so you can learn how to make these cute cards. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to make the base of this card. This thing is so stinking easy. All you need is a regular A2 size card or an 8.5 by 5.5 card, and I'm going to show you how to do the cuts. It's so easy. The card we're going to make together, we're going to do it in pink, but really any base of cardstock you want to make is totally fine. I love using my fist cards for this because it's got a blade tip on here, which gives me a precision point cut right exactly where I want to. So if I go to exactly to 4 1/4, it's gonna cut. Whereas a rotary blade, you're kind of doing your best guess on that one. So open up your card after you fold it in half, just like any other A2 size card, and place it in at the 1-inch marker. And just to be safe, start at the bottom. And then you're gonna go up to that 4 1/4, which is where you cut your card to, just 4 1/4. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna flip this over, and it really doesn't matter because this is the same card on both sides, like it's pink on pink on pink, so it doesn't matter. And do the same thing. Now, it's already at the same spot because I've left it there. So now place that in and cut down. So now I've got these 2 little flaps that I've cut out. All I need to do now is just finish the slice. You could do this on your trimmer, but I find just getting a pair of scissors makes this just a little bit simpler. And then go ahead and cut this way too. And I'm cutting right along the line where I would normally do the fold. So I'm gonna flip this over, and I can see right here, I just have a little bit tiny extra. So I'm gonna take my scissors, and boom, just cut that again. And now I have a nice clean line. This is the back of my card, but I can also flip my card over and I can see that I have a nice clean line there. Now it's time to embellish our card. We have these cutie little cutouts from Hell's Couple Stitch, which is Polar Playtime. You can find these on the European Papercrafts website, which is where I got this. And basically you start just punching this out. Now, don't forget, there is a free printable, which I will show you again here shortly. I'm just punching all these little pieces out. I may not use them all, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull them all out while we're chatting about our giveaway. So my question to enter the giveaway is, have you started making your Christmas cards yet? And if you have, do you know what Christmas card design you're gonna make? Now it's time to layer. And it's totally okay that I did a little bit of a snippy snip and cut just a little bit over. I mean, you can just see it's just a titch cut too far, but it's gonna totally work. So all I need to do now is layer this up. So follow the number on your layers. The first layer is the big frame, and then for this one, it happens to be this big piece is layer 2, and then just keep layering it up and following the elements. I use lots of little leftover scraps, and I just flip it over and I place a really big section right here in the middle, and it's just foam dots. You can choose not to foam dot it and just purely layer it without it, but I think it adds a little bit of something extra. Links are always down below to what I'm working with and for the elements that I'm working with. So please check them out. Also, don't forget to jump to the next person in the video hop. The link is down below for you guys to go check that out. And again, don't forget to leave that comment. Have you started making your Christmas cards yet? And if so, did you just decide on the design, or do you make one card? I'd absolutely love to know what your thought process is, and just how do you guys do your Christmas cards? Because everybody does them differently, and I'm curious. I'm totally curious. So leave your comment down below. I'm gonna finish applying all of these foam dots and little pieces. As you can see, I've got some little layers here that I've still got left to go. So I'm gonna keep adding this all on, and I'll jump back and I'll show you what this looks like when it's all put together. Now I have chosen not to add the last little head on top of there, and basically all that would mean is it's just one more layer, and I've chosen not to because I feel like this has enough dimension. You can totally skip. I could have skipped doing the big guy and just done his head, and that's the cool thing about these 3D elements. You can pick and choose whatever you like to add to them. All right, so now it's time to start putting my card together. It's really super simple. I don't want to flip this upside down and add adhesive. So instead, I'm gonna use my Xylon adhesive and just place it right there. And I already know this is gonna fit to scale because I've measured it. So it looks awesome. And again, you can do your card base in whatever color you like. So look, that just fits right there. Now, before I flip this open and add the inside, I wanna layer these two pieces. And I had the option of using either the cutie little fishy here or the stripe. Originally, I thought of the stripe, and then I happened to lay the fishes down there, and I just thought those were just so stinking adorable. And measurements for all of this card are down in the information section, so make sure you check that out. All right, so I wanna leave the first flap down so I can get the spacing on this correct. And I did not leave a ton of spacing. I left it pretty short and pretty close to the edge there. So we're just gonna flip this around and do the other side. So I totally had a different printable and a different background, and I just switched gears on that because I love it, and sometimes this happens. Go with your gut. If you're just like, oh, that's not what I meant to do. And my gut is I have these beautiful, look at these, holographic stickers, and it says Merry Christmas, but the Christmas is separate from the Merry. So I'm gonna pop this out, place this on here, and you know what? It was not what I planned when I had this video laid out, but as I'm sitting here staring at it, I'm going, I can't, and I already had everything sitting there. It's got this amazing little space right here where I'm gonna put Christmas. Here we go. Because we're doing a little Christmas in July. So it says Christmas. And on the inside it says Christmas sweater weather. Because I just thought that sounded so cute. The other printable that I had on the inside, remember this is your free printable, so check that out. It says Merry Christmas Cutie. And so Christmas, Merry Christmas Cutie just did not quite make sense. The whole vibe didn't work, so switch gears, just flip-flop. I was gonna make another card anyway to show you guys a different version. I just hadn't done it yet. So now we're gonna place the insert in, and I have this really cute paper that's got all these little sweater pieces, which is why I thought sweater weather, which is why I made the printable to go with this set. So this is my penguin sentiment set. So it is super cute. So if you want to go online into my site, which link is down below to my website, you can get the free printable that comes with 6 different 3x3 square printables that you can get for free. Just enter the code penguin. And then I have a little pen. This is just a Derwent Academy pen. And just to kind of enhance this, I should have done this before I put this in. I'm just going to enhance a little bit of what is already on here. Again, I should have done this before I stuck this on here. Just these pieces right here. So it's taking a printable to the next level. It's showing what you can do with it. So just a little bit of something. It just kind of enhances the greens that are already there. So this is another use for that amazing printable, those sentiment printables I'm giving you. You can also place these on top of these little boxes. These boxes are also at European Paper Crafters. It comes like this, and it comes with a rope. So I've actually alternated. It came with silver and gold, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to swap them. And of course, I made the silver first because I am in love in silver. And basically what you do is you fold your box in half, you pop your little pieces out. These are so simple to make. Okay, so you fold your box in half. You kind of get a little bit of the folding going on here, right here. So you can see where there's these little creases here. And then all you do is you fold this in. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. You place your strings in before you get started. So go from the bottom in, and these cool strings that come with it, they already have this little tab on here. So when you pull it tight, it holds and locks tight. So do this first before you add your adhesive. And I'm just using a little bit of some double-sided adhesive. I feel like it's got a little bit more of a sticky to it. And so just apply it to the side where you want it. And I just cut it down. It was a big sheet that I cut down. And then you fold it over. And then you stick it in place. And don't forget to do the other side, same thing. This one I have already assembled and applied my adhesive and added my line. The only thing that is left to do, and you can make these a whole bunch of these ahead of time, this is where you're gonna put a gift card, money, and it's a little something that's gonna be on the tree. So just apply your adhesive, and I've given you 6 different printables that you can use, and choose whichever one you wanna be your front side. It does not matter, they're all the same. Place your printable on here, super cute. Look how easy this is, Snowy Christmas. On the back side, you can say who it's to and from, you know, to whoever. This is a cute little thing that you can hang on the tree at Christmas time. So super easy gifts for gift cards, money. Last thing, just place that double-sided adhesive right here and close it, and you have a fun little gift. You could also place this on top of a wine bottle and it would look so super adorable. So just another use for showing you how to use these fun printables that I've given you guys for free with the code PENGUIN. Don't forget to use the code PENGUIN. And also these fun pillow bags from your paper crafters. So super cute, I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video. Don't forget to check out all the other people in the hop. There are so many people. And don't forget to leave a comment on here for your chance to win one of 3 amazing gift cards. Yes, I'm giving away 3 gift cards. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Jump to the next person in the hop. There's some amazing prizes going on this wonderful Christmas in July video hop. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thumbs up, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye, everybody.